You start with WordPress, excited to launch your website, business, or next client project. Then suddenly, you're dealing with servers, security, caching, backups, performance optimization, and infrastructure management. Instead of focusing on growth, you end up managing hosting complexity. Meet FlyWP, the customizable managed WordPress cloud hosting and server management platform built for speed, control, and simplicity. One dashboard, no DevOps headaches. Built by the team behind WeDevs, backed by over 13 years of WordPress innovation and expertise. Choose fully managed WordPress hosting with simple all-in-one billing, or connect your own cloud provider and manage everything from one powerful platform. Docker-powered infrastructure, one-click WordPress deployment, built to scale from solo developers to growing agency teams. One-click magic login, no passwords, no friction. Built-in Redis and full-page caching for faster WordPress performance and better user experience. Automated backups, bulk plugin updates across every site. Less maintenance, more building, all from one dashboard. Choose a blueprint and FlyWP automatically sets up the plugins, theme, and configuration so you're ready to launch in minutes. Manage your entire team from one place with granular permissions for servers, sites, and workflows. Enterprise-grade security with built-in firewall protection and automatic SSL from day one. Everything you need to run and manage WordPress, caching, backups, security, and site management is built right in. Trusted by thousands of developers, agencies, and WordPress professionals worldwide. Top-rated on AppSumo and Trustpilot. Expert support, rich documentation, and active community. We're here when you need us. Deploy your next WordPress site in minutes with FlyWP.